BMW, the SUV, but she said she wanted a Benz, so we're gonna go look at some cars, see what she like, and yeah, prepare to get her Benz while we coming to Atlanta. So let's go. All right, babe. So we gotta figure out what model.
I want a GLE AMG.
Oh, she knows what she wants. She knows exactly what she wants.
I mean, you should know, though, because like for me, I want the Lamborghini Aventador.
And he won't let anybody forget it.
You've been talking about that for a while.
So let's figure out where they have.
Because the coupes are just so.
So let's get to yeah.
Stores, they always have the best snacks.
Bitch, snacks.
Yeah, they have snacks.
Oh, it's hard. Hey, but this car nice.
These are the electric ones.
Yeah, one thing about Mercedes-Benz, oh, this is nasty. Babe, this joint nasty, babe. I think I see
joint.
you in this, babe. Ooh, this joint go crazy.
Little
Look at
baby
the
bands.
interior in it. Yeah, I like the seats inside of it. The
hard,
seats
though.
go crazy. Damn. You like this?
It's cute.
So
But I just
She called it cute.
feel like I need a big one.
get in that car. Babe, this right here, bro, this so you in my opinion. I ain't gonna
Well,
hold
you
you.
haven't even seen me.
So I just want to show you guys that you guys could be making money with your iPhone, right? This video right here that we're watching, believe it or not, was recorded with the iPhone. A lot of people, even myself, I thought this was recorded with the camera, an actual camera, $1,000 camera, even more expensive with like probably a $2,500 lens. I'm thinking, you know, Corey, he posting vlogs all the time and all his stuff looks high quality, filmed off an iPhone. And this is probably the reason why he's pumping out so many vlogs, because he's filming it off his iPhone. And it's much easier to transfer, edit on iMovie or whatever he's editing. I'm assuming he's using iMovie and just clipping and posting high quality. And it looks amazing, as you can see. So I'm going to prove it to you guys. I'm going to show you guys some clips, but this looks pretty good.
I see that.
This is off an iPhone.
You haven't seen me yet.
I can
Sounds
picture you.
good, everything.
I got 4 eyes. I see what you don't see.
Kicking your ass out on the side of the road.
Nah, I definitely can't see that.
I can't see it either.
God, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Okay, so everybody coming down below, let me know what y'all think my girl look good in. Nah, that's P. That's
All on
P
the
all
iPhone,
day.
bro.
P is you. But we're gonna see. Let's see what. Look at this. So you got the spoiler kit on the end and on the back.
Mm-hmm. That's definitely a CLA. I don't know if that's a a 63 or a 53. I'm pretty sure that's not a 63.
The front of it, you got like, come on, you got the details.
Got the rims
This
on
shit
it,
go
though.
crazy.
Could
Hold
be.
up. This car right here is. This bitch
I
ain't never.
don't even know if they have 53s or is it 35, 45. Oh yeah, so I was gonna say CLAs are a little different. I knew it was a CLA, so it was a 45S. Shit's still pretty, you know, it's got a little turbo in it. I think just one turbo though.
Was 78, 67,000. How you doing, brother?
Good.
Corey.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Yes, sir. That's me.
How you doing, ma'am?
Shopping for Precious today.
That's fantastic.
We're gonna be talking to Precious.
I like the GLE AMG coupe.
She knows what she wants. She wants the big body.
Okay.
I've only seen them online, so I
Okay.
haven't seen them.
Yeah, you want to go take? So we got
Yeah,
one.
definitely.
Okay.
See what they got. Babe, so you like that car?
Mm.
She want the big body.
The smaller. Oh.
So you want the big girl. You ain't know how to drive yet.
She want the big body.
You want the biggest thing they got.
Because if I'm going to learn how to drive, mine will learn.
So this one, it's the Jilly Curtain. That's the
Yeah. Want the
And this one's Twilight
Benzino.
blue and it's got black nappa.
Do you have anything like
So look, the quality on it is great. It's the iPhone, guys. Stop waiting. You don't need high tech. You don't need a camera. I'm telling you, you guys can record off your iPhone.
white outside to like cream?
Audio
like
sounds
a lighter
amazing.
inside?
Boom. As you can see, boom, right there in the video. iPhone, right there. Boom.
Yeah,
Show
I
you
can
again.
definitely take a look.
White
can
outside
see.
to like cream or
Boom. No microphone connected, nothing.
Like a lighter
iPhone, straight iPhone.
inside.
Yeah, I
On
can
a
definitely take a.
tripod.
So how you like this interior? How
It
you like
just
this?
feels better. You know, my mom has an SUV, so
Right.
it just feels better.
Yeah.
And again, this one's a 63, so you got standard massaging seats, cool cup holders. You got a head of the phone windshield.
Oh yeah, they do. They want to like.
What's the price on this one?
This one is
140, buddy.
What, 120?
maybe a little more.
135.
140?
This is 136.
136. Okay.
So this one's got carbon fiber inside.
Yeah, I
Oh,
see
is it
the.
the one that lights up?
The ambulance?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh yeah, it's hard.
Can I look in this one? Because it looks small. You feel?
I mean, you look good regardless.
Smart
yeah,
answer.
it fits you. It most
Smart
definitely,
answer.
yeah. Yeah, it do fit you. It make you look more big body. More big body guys. So if I'm getting a Lamborghini SVJ, I feel like, yeah, I was trying to put you in that one, but I thought it would look sporty into the Lambo. But nah, this here go look.
And what's this one?
You don't even look at that. That's basic. No, babe. Just come from over there. You don't even look at it. It's okay. Any of these out on the lot?
Yeah, absolutely. You want to go take a look?
Yes, sir. They're gonna take some of
Do you want any water to drink or anything?
I might when I come back.
It's starting to warm up a little bit.
Told you.
I'm not hearing that. Nah, man, it's not hot outside. I feel good outside, brother.
It's pretty nice.
All right, man. How you like these wheels on the Maybach, man? I don't know, man. It's like
I hate the Maybach rims. Like some people love them. I do not like the Maybach rims, bro.
futuristic as hell. Dude, that. Hey, well, you know, man, what is
I'm
that?
perfectly fine.
What Mercedes-Benz is that gray one right there, the black one?
Oh, that's a GT right there on the left for sure.
What is that? What are
That's
those?
that's the big
those
body.
are SLs, those are GTs.
Okay, them GTs
So
over
the
there.
difference between those cars, they're gonna have the same engines, but that one's a roadster, so that one's a convertible soft top.
Oh, that's hard.
Comes off.
I
Trying
like
to see if
that.
there's
I
any
like
other
that.
clips where
Hey,
he
look,
shows
look at
you
me.
using an
So is the
iPhone.
GLC
But I'm
the
telling you, this looks amazing. This is shot on the iPhone.
smaller versions of the GLE?
Yeah, so GLC is gonna be a little bit smaller than the GLE.
Oh, okay.
You think you like that one, or you like the big one?
I like both.
Yeah, and so the GLC,
And I'm telling you now, this dude has probably made millions of dollars off an iPhone. I kid you not.
also comes in an AMG model.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Crazy.
So-
That's a good thing.
Mm-hmm.
They do got some. They got
New GLC AMGs are gonna be 4 cylinders. They are pretty quick. And then you're gonna still keep a 6-cylinder inside the 53s.
Okay then. Well, she don't need nothing too damn fast.
I know. I'm like, yes, it sounds like this to girl lingo.
Yeah.
I feel like, oh.
Oh my bad, man. Hurt you. The dimes on my fingers. Oh, this is nice. What is this?
So this is a GLC 63. So a
Oh.
little bit smaller than GLE 53.
That's
But again, it's a
tough.
4-cylinder. Thing's got over like 600 horsepower.
What year is
Super
this?
tough.
25.
I could tell that it looked newer. This shit hard.
This is kind of cute size.
Yeah.
I like the wheels on
So
this.
it's also a plug-in hybrid, so you can plug this in, but it's
Oh,
not.
this is the hybrid.
Yeah, so it's mainly there to give you power. It's not even one that you would even get electric range out of. It's so.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay then.
This one's 91,000.
Man, that ain't bad. Let me see the interior here.
See, it's the front of like,
Yeah, so all the
so
AMGs.
the
Yeah,
AMG front.
yeah,
is what
all
I
the
like.
AMGs have the vertical grille.
Yeah. That grill go crazy.
Looks
And it has
good.
peanut butter
It's
cheese.
pretty tough.
Interior look good.
Yeah, this one's Sienna Brown.
That one's a cute one.
Okay then. So all right. Hey, keep that in mind, like guys. What y'all think about this one? Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Based on she like it. Let's go look at the one she asked want to see. We're gonna see what different colors they have in the GLE 63 that she like. My baby girl first car finna be a damn Mercedes.
I manifested.
Yes, you did.
It's been on my vision board.
And go come the truth.
I said I'm not gonna learn how to drive. I'm trying to learn how to drive for a Benz.
Okay.
A
Okay.
little backwards.
Yeah, a little backward, but okay. We get what she's saying. We understand. You gotta have that motivation. And they got the board, but they got them things sitting
iPhone. Look how crispy.
in the back
iPhone,
here.
bro.
Why y'all got it so far?
Yeah, we just have all of our GLEs here, and so
Oh, okay then.
in the back. Yeah, it's a bit of a walk.
Got a lot of GLEs though.
Get my steps in.
Not fast. Ain't nothing wrong with working out.
There's another
Audio sounds good.
one right there. That one's a 53.
He has no wind blocker on, no noise, anything.
So I mean, were you
Like,
thinking of
I have
63 or
kids.
53? Of course,
I was
53.
really, those are just the two I have saved just for
Okay.
the
We wanna check it out?
back and forth.
We wanna check it out just to see?
Yeah, I mean, you
Yeah,
can take a
we
look. So we can see this one.
Even the gray one, I know the gray one has the lighter inside sometimes too.
Yeah, so a lot of them have black interior.
There we go.
This one's got black interior and carbon fiber. This is Alpine Gray. So we sell a lot of an Alpine Gray.
Oh, this is the red and black.
So this one has the red interior.
That's a lot,
it's
babe.
blocked.
Let me
Look
see.
how pretty it is.
Oh, nah, that's hard.
Super
Yeah,
tough.
I ain't gonna hold you.
Super
That
tough.
look good on you too. Facts.
Super
What
tough.
this one going for? 103?
Mm-hmm.
That ain't bad. It's not bad. So this is the 53 right here, right?
53, yeah.
Okay then.
Mm.
All right, babe. So you got your opinion on the 53.
I really like the red seats.
You like the seats?
iPhone, bro. Look at that quality.
3.
I really like the red seats.
iPhone,
Like the seats?
bro.
It's also got the night package.
It's
So you can
crazy.
look, the mirror caps are black. Around the
Oh yeah.
black.
Boom. iPhone. No lens, straight iPhone, bro. Crazy.
So the interior here crazy. Definitely. Suit the front of it a little light. Yeah. Which one is that one?
New gray they have
Yeah, it's
too.
called silicone gray.
Silicone gray?
That gray's tough.
Yeah, that's a dope. That's dope.
Here's another white one. That's a 53 as well.
White 53. What interior is this one? All the same, red and black interior.
And then we've got another white one. So this one's a 63 in that silicone gray color, and this is a white one in that in the 63.
With the red interior. All of them got a red interior, the black and red
Yeah, we
interior.
sell a lot of ones with red interiors. That's usually how they're.
That's hard.
So,
What you think so far, babe?
Yeah.
If she don't know how to drive, she do not need no C60. I mean, a 63. She does not need any type of 63 motor. No. V turbo, bi turbo. I mean V8 bi turbo. She don't need that. No.
So if you gotta really say which one you actually want, which one you going toward? Like,
They look pretty similar. So
Yeah.
like, what are the actual differences?
just about the only difference between a 53 and a 63 is going to be the engine.
okay, yeah.
So 63's got a V8. It's got over 600 horsepower. 53's got about a little over 400 horsepower.
Okay, then.
So inline six, a little more tame, a little more like,
Yeah.
softer in the ride.
But not like a lot of like cosmetic differences.
No.
Okay, because they literally look
Yeah,
identical.
and the only other like styling aspect you'll see is all 63s have like trapezoidal exhausts, quad tips. Anytime you see an AMG 53, it's gonna have circular tips.
Okay, then. So that's a difference.
He's all got forged wheels on them.
I do love the quad tips on the 63s.
I think you should start with the 53 because you don't need all that damn power, babe. Just being honest.
No,
You-
that's what I was thinking.
Like, if you was a driver, like if you was a girl that actually get in cars and drive cars and stuff like that, then yeah. But
She
you
not.
just you's a cute, pretty girl, soft. You don't do all the, you can't even drive yet, for real, for real. I wouldn't want to put you in something that's fast as hell.
I kind of do like the 53.
Okay.
53.
And then you got some more of this.
Okay, so this one, what's that? That's a 6.3?
No, these are gonna be
Those all look like 53s. They're not
and that's a
wide.
53?
Do they got like some type of setting where it actually rise up, or they just how that car sit?
Yeah, so it is on air ride basically. So it is, at the moment it's risen, so you can kind of see that as well.
That's crazy. That's
So
something.
that's something to ride, especially when you're just cruising.
Yeah. Okay, then that's smooth.
Off rip, I would go with this one, and if this is a 53, then it's a sign.
You'll go with which one?
53.
The 53.
So this one's actually got a beige interior. You said you like a lighter interior.
Oh, okay.
Take a look at that one as opposed to the red.
Oh, yeah, that eats.
Oh, you like that?
Yeah, that eats.
So that eat, and it's a 2025 as well. Oh yeah, I like that
You see
interior. Yeah, the interior look dope.
Looks more.
Okay then.
I even got to start vlogging a lot, bro. I create content with webcams. I have cameras, GoPros. I use webcams, bro, and I get the job done.
Really?
So you like this interior over the red and black interior?
I think for like an everyday, yeah.
Okay then.
Yeah, I don't advise. I haven't really seen too many with that beige
For the interior.
A lot of them are gonna be red.
Look nice. Okay then. Man, well baby, alright, well we see what you want. I see the look of it, and now it's just preparing to get ready to grab it. We just not gonna move to Atlanta. So
Okay.
now we moved to Atlanta, like we doing everything new. We just went house shopping today, car shopping
Okay.
today.
Yeah, that's all the fun stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Now we just get prepared to actually come. What's your name is again?
Liam.
Liam.
Yes,
so
sir.
I'm gonna go be different, make sure that I shop with you.
Yes, sir.
You can't even show that she's still looking and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, like, look at it, y'all. Check out.
iPhone. I'm gonna keep stressing it, bro. This is off a iPhone. She looks like that. Imagine that.
The girls
An
got to be the
iPhone.
girls.
You would not think this is an iPhone. You would think this is
Gotta
a
get
full-on camera.
All right, so. All right,
Crazy,
mama.
bro.
Well, I let you, you see one you look at, you like, we'll kind of just like see where your mind at and sit on it, let her sleep on it, make her decision. You'll come, and yeah, you mind Mercedes-Benz. What you think so far right now?
So cute.
She said, so cute.
There's a female gonna be
Hey, ain't fucking
It
on.
looks good on you, babe. Just on me.
Well, it's on the SUV.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, fuck the FaceTime, pull up. Flawless diamond, I must
Off
have
of iPhone, you saw it right there in the mirror.
yeah. Hey,
You would not think this
fuck
is
the
off of
FaceTime,
iPhone,
pull up.
bro. Look at the iPhone in the mirror.
Flawless diamond, I must admit it, baby, one-on-one. One in a million, you the hottest under the sun. I can't lie, I'm feeling for you, baby, I can't get enough. Feeling for your body, human night, so excited, yeah.
Let's add some music. That's his own music, I believe.
Put the world inside your hand with Chanel bag. Want us to crash real bad, bet let's make a mad. And better love that we have in our price.
This shit crazy, bro.
I hit, oh yeah.
Off of
And I
iPhone.
can't wait to get better love that we have in our price tag. I let the world know about you, yeah, I gotta brag. And I can't wait to get you home in my bed. I can't get you out my head, oh yeah.
That's unbelievable, bro. That is unbelievable. Let me know what you guys think, man. It looks pretty sharp to me. But I'm telling you, this guy's probably made millions of dollars off this iPhone. Not the same one, but probably iPhones in general. Crazy.